Everyone talks about making money with crypto. But here's the truth. 99% of YouTubers only show you price charts and hype. What they don't tell you is how people are actually earning real income from crypto, even when the market is down. Today, I'm going to show you the 5 real, working systems to make money with crypto, used by professionals, hedge funds, and full-time traders. No gambling, no fake signals, just pure strategy. So watch till the end, because the last method is the most powerful one. It's literally how smart investors earn even while sleeping. How to make money with crypto, Real Strategies 2025. Part 1, Understanding how crypto really creates wealth before you earn. You must understand what crypto actually is, not just coins, but a new internet of money. Every crypto project represents a digital economy, like a mini business or financial network. When you invest or trade, you're buying ownership or participation in that network. There are 3 ways crypto creates wealth. Capital gains, buying low, selling high, trading/investing. Passive yield, earning interest, staking, or lending. Ecosystem income, getting paid in crypto for services, validation, or building. Most people only know the first one, but the real pros use all 3 together. Part 2, Active income. Trading like a professional trading isn't about luck. It's about data, emotion control, and risk-to-reward ratios. Here's how professionals do it. They follow technical plus on-chain analysis, not hype. They use dollar cost averaging, DCA, during accumulation, and they never risk more than 2% of their capital per trade. Pro tip: use TradingView indicators like EMA ribbon plus RSI divergence plus volume flow. That combo gives early reversal signals on Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum. But trading is not daily profit magic. Professionals treat it like a business with monthly ROI targets, not gambling. The goal isn't to win every trade. The goal is to protect your capital long enough to catch the big moves. Part 3, Passive income systems. This is where 95% of YouTubers go silent, because this part actually requires knowledge, not clickbait. Here are 4 real passive income models in crypto that still work in 2025. Staking rewards. Example: staking ADA, SOL, or XLM gives 4 to 8% yearly rewards. You're helping secure the network and getting paid for it. Yield farming liquidity pools. Platforms like Curve, PancakeSwap, Uniswap pay you a share of trading fees. Smart investors using permanent loss calculators before locking funds. Lending platforms. On Aave or Compound, you can lend stablecoins like USDC and earn 5 to 10% APY safely. Node validator income. If you hold large amounts, like 10K XRP or XDC, you can run validator nodes and earn recurring crypto income from transaction validation. Part 4, Building real businesses using crypto. Crypto isn't just trading. It's a global digital economy that lets talk about 3 real business models that are making people rich, not overnight, but long-term. Crypto content education. You can earn by teaching crypto, like this channel. Ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate programs like Ledger, Binance, or OKX. Tokenized projects/NFTs. Smart creators launch NFTs not as art, but as utility memberships, giving holders access to private content or early info. DeFi service building. Developers and marketers can build yield dashboards, trading bots, or AI analysis tools using blockchain APIs and charge fees. Even if you're not a coder, you can build community plus content and monetize via crypto tips, Patreon, or token rewards. Part 5, Long-term investment. If you truly want to get rich with crypto, the secret is time in the market, not timing the market. Here's the professional 5-step strategy. Pick 3 to 5 top projects with real utility, e.g. XRP, ETH, XDC, ADA. Invest small but consistent, DCA weekly. Reinvest passive income into those assets. Keep a cold wallet, Ledger/Trezor, for security. Hold through bear markets. That's where real wealth is built. Remember, bear markets are where smart money accumulates. Part 6, The secret most don't know. Where's the part no one tells you? The richest crypto investors aren't traders, they're builders. They invest in ecosystems early, stake, and help build the network. That's why they get airdrops, early token rewards, and partnerships. So if you want to earn long-term, don't chase coins, chase knowledge. Don't copy hype, copy professionals. Crypto isn't a get-rich-quick game. It's a new economy, and the earlier you understand how to use it, the more powerful your financial future becomes. So start learning, start small, and be consistent. because the next bull run will reward the ones who prepared, not the ones who panicked. Subscribe for real crypto knowledge, not hype. Comment below. Which of these 5 strategies do you want me to make a detailed tutorial on next?